Hello beautiful people, this is Mario and you're watching Just Like Paradise. Check out this view behind me, huh? These high rises. This is the Thai Cultural Center. There's the I don't know what they're called, the Esplanade or something. This is, we're on a crossover from the MRT over to the other side of the street. Gorgeous evening. Looks like down here there's some seafood, street food. There's a club down there and a cafe. So let's go see what's going on. Beautiful fresh food, fruits, fantastic. Quite a little jog going to the shopping mall. One of my favorite places that I've gone to maybe once a month, twice a month is the train market. It's called the Thailand Fai Market, and this one is conveniently located behind the Esplanade Mall and can easily be reached from MRT station Thai Cultural Center. It's really a fun place. The Fai Night Market is famous for being retro and antique market with lots of vintage clothing, retro items, specialty handmade goods, and other cool stuff. It's located in the Ratchada area, and it is just a phenomenal place. Cool vibe, vintage cars, antique shops, Volkswagen vans, which are incredible here. They obviously aren't as expensive as they are in California. Around 5 p.m. Thursday through Sunday, behind the mall, it turns into a big colorful marketplace where vendors sell all kinds of clothing, accessories, and food. The food is fantastic. It's really a cool place. In the back market, you'll find several customized Volkswagen vans selling everything from food, drink, clothing, and stuffed animals. Again, it's open Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. It is quite a hidden gem, and to get there, just take MRT to Thai Cultural Center, get out exit 3, walk to the soy on the left of the Esplanade Mall, and follow the flags to the Thailand Fai Market. I can't say enough about this place. It's really fun. The thing about it, though, is there's a bar area in the very, very back, which just has, I don't know, 20, maybe 30 bars, and it reminds me of just noise. It's definitely noise. I think there's some private places as well. As you can see, the food looks fabulous. The place is packed. Obviously, I mean, the deals are fantastic, and look at all the happy faces. It really is a great place to visit. That's all I have to say. Enjoy the rest of the video. I guarantee they're going to sell out tonight. Eating some ribs.